Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is TUAN NAJWA and this video presents an observation of the communication and social behavior of the Indian PEAFOWL Pavo Cristatus. This study was conducted through behavioral observations followed by an ethogram and statistical analysis using paired samples t-test. The Indian peafowl belongs to the family Phasianidae and is native to South Asia. Males are easily recognized by the brilliant iridescent blue plumage and long ornamental train, whereas females are brownish with shorter tails. Peafowl are highly social birds that communicate using visual displays, vocalizations, and body movements, especially during courtship. Behavioral observations were conducted using continuous recording. A single Indian peafowl was continuously video recorded for 10 minutes, and every observable behavior was documented throughout the entire recording period. This method ensured that all behavioral events and their frequencies were captured without interruption. The recorded behaviors were later classified into communication and social behaviors using an ethogram. An ethogram was constructed to classify the observed behaviors. Communication behaviors included feather displays and vocalizations, whereas social behaviors included following, courtship, and aggressive interactions. The most distinctive communication behavior observed was the train display. During this behavior, the male fully expanded his colorful tail feathers while vibrating them rapidly. This visual display functions as a sexual signal used to attract females and advertise male quality. The raw observational data was stabilized and analyzed using paired samples t-test. Since the p-value is greater than the significance level of 0.05, the null hypothesis is not rejected. This suggests that there was no significant difference between the frequencies of communication and social behaviors displayed by the Indian peafowl during the observation period. The observation of the Indian peafowl showed that both communication and social behaviors occurred frequently. Communication behaviors, such as train displays and vocal calls, were used to attract mates and convey information, while social behaviors included following, courtship, and interactions with other peafowl. The lack of a significant difference of t-test analysis may be because communication and social behaviors are closely related and often occur together during courtships and group interactions. Because these behaviors are interconnected, their frequencies may naturally be similar, resulting in no significant statistical difference. Environmental conditions may also have influenced the behavioral patterns observed. These findings are consistent with previous studies on the Indian peafowl. Marion Petrie and colleagues found that male peafowl use elaborate train displays as a visual communication signal during courtships, and females tend to prefer males with more elaborate trains, demonstrating the importance of these displays in sexual selection. Similarly, the train displays and vocalizations observed in these studies were frequently associated with interactions between males and nearby females, indicating that communication and social behaviors often occur together. Several factors may have influenced the behaviors observed. Biotic factors, such as the presence of females and other peafowls, can increase courtship displays and social interactions. Abiotic factors, including weather conditions, time of day, enclosure environment, and human activity, may also affect the frequency of these behaviors. One limitation of the study is that the observations were based on a single 10-minute continuous recording, which may not represent the full range of behaviors shown by the species. Future studies should include longer observation periods and multiple individuals to obtain more comprehensive behavioral data. Overall, the findings indicate that both communication and social behaviors play equally important roles in the behavioral repertoire of Indian peafowl. Although no statistically significant difference was detected between the two behavioral categories in this study, the observations demonstrate the close relationship between communication and social interactions in supporting the species' reproductive success and social structures. Although communication behaviors such as plain displays and vocal calls are essential for attracting mates, social behaviors including following and group interactions occurred at similar frequencies during the observation period. The statistical analysis suggests that both categories of behavior contributed comparably to the overall behavior repertoire of the observed PEAFOWL. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.